How to fix Viber activation failed. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix if the Viber activation has failed for some reason. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix if the Viber activation has failed, what you need to do is first of all go ahead and launch the Viber app. And first of all, of course, first thing you want to make sure is that the number that you're entering is actually correct, because when your number is incorrect, it will not be able to send a code, and as a result the activation process is most likely going to fail. And then after that, you also want to go ahead and open up a Play Store, search for Viber, and then make sure to update it. If you see an update button there, it means that your app needs an update. Now in my case it's the open button, so in this case my app is already updated to the latest version. Now if you're using it on your iPhone, you might want to go to settings, go to general, go to Viber, and then just try to offload and then reinstall the application. And if you're on Android, what you want to do is just long press on the Viber app icon over here, tap on the I button. Once you tap on the I button, scroll down, go to storage, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Once you clear cache and data, you should be able to go ahead and then open the Viber app, and hopefully that would solve your problem. The other thing could also be sometimes the problem with the internet connection. So when the internet connection is unstable, it could fail the activation process. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data, and if you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi. And hopefully one of these problems may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.